We can go on the record. Good morning. Today is April 14th, 2025. We're here for Maryland Public Service Commission case number 9776, which is captioned Halo NE2 LLC's application for a certificate of public convenience and necessity to construct a 3.0 megawatt solar photovoltaic generating facility in Cecil County, Maryland. We're here for a pre-hearing conference, and we can start with appearances from the parties. For Halo NE2.
Good morning, Your Honor. My name is Colleen Collins from Gordon Feinblatt. On behalf of the applicant, I would also like to enter the appearance of my colleague, Mr. David Buglemans.
Can somebody raise your hand if you can hear me? Okay. Can somebody raise your hand if you can hear Miss Collins? It's just me. Let me see if I can. All right, Miss Collins, say something.
Can you hear me now, Your Honor?
Yes, I can. I'm sorry. Okay, go ahead.
I'm glad it wasn't me because I would not know how to fix it. My name is Colleen Collins from Gordon Feinblatt on behalf of the applicant, and I would also like to enter my an appearance of my colleague, Mr. David Buglemans.
Thank you. And for staff?
Good morning, Your Honor. Annette Garofalo on behalf of Commission staff, and appearing with me is Lloyd Twebeck.
Good morning. For PPRP?
Good morning, Your Honor. Sandra McLemore, Assistant Attorney General representing the Power Plant Research Program. I'd also like to enter the appearance of Steve Tolson.
Okay, thank you. Do we have anyone here from OPC? Okay. All right. The parties have gotten together, I think, and proposed a procedural schedule. Ms. Collins, do you want to go through that for the record?
Yes, Your Honor. And may we also enter an exhibit to the record?
Yes, go ahead.
We have one exhibit we would like to mark and enter this morning. We would like to enter applicant's exhibit 1, the certificate of publication for the pre-hearing conference, e-filed with the commission on April 11th, 2025, consisting of 7 pages under mail log number 317920.
Any objection?
No objection.
Thank you. Applicant exhibit 1 is admitted.
Thank you, Your Honor. And I'm happy to run through the procedural schedule.
Yes, please.
The first date is applicant's direct testimony and decommissioning, or direct testimony would be June 10th, 2025. The first evening public comment hearing would be either June 23rd or June 24th, 2025, based on your Honor's schedule. The applicant will file all their final plans and supplement testimony explaining revisions on August 14th, 2025. PPRP and staff's direct testimony is September 12th, 2025. The second evening public commenting hearing will be either on September 24th or September 25th, 2025. The supplemental testimony and revised recommendation conditions will be on October 14th, 2025. Status update will be on October 16th, 2025. The evidentiary hearing will be on October 21st, 2025. And the status conference will be the same day as above if it's contested.
Okay, and parties, are you in agreement with this?
Staff is fine with the schedule, Your Honor.
Yes, Your Honor. PPRP agrees with the schedule.
Okay, as for the first evening public comment hearing, do you all have your dates of who might be showing up at the meeting? Can you check them and see if June 15th or 17th are available the week prior?
Your Honor, I'd be happy to check with the applicant and respond back after this meeting if that's possible.
Okay, the June 23rd and 24th date, I might be able to make it work, but it's not ideal. So if the 15th or the 17th are available, that would still give 2 dates to the applicant to try to find a spot, but it would work better with my schedule.
Yes, Your Honor. I'm sure that it'll be fine. I just want to make sure that the applicant is available.
Absolutely. And then my only other comment is in October. Go ahead.
I was just going to say I need to check with PPRP's if that's okay too.
Sure, yeah. If you all could just get back to me on June 15th or 17th. It would be an either or situation, depending on when the applicant can get a spot.
Thank you.
The evidentiary hearing date. So that's, the status update is on a Wednesday. So that would give me Thursday, Friday, and Monday to, if it becomes a settlement and the parties are seeking to waive the appearance of witnesses, I would need at least until that Monday. I would need a couple of days just to check my questions and my drafts to make sure that I can do that. So it's a little tight. It may end up being that if there are questions that we might need to have everybody show up and be present, but we might be able to move that evidentiary hearing to virtual should that happen. So I'm just trying to put, I'm not suggesting we move that date. I'm just putting everyone on notice that it's going to be playing it by ear with just a few days between the status update and the evidentiary hearing. And we're looking for, in future schedules, a little bit more time between those two dates.
Yes.
Your Honor, how much time would you like?
About a week.
Okay.
Because sometimes parties are coming, witnesses and parties are coming from out of state. And so you folks want to cancel their airfare or, travel arrangements. But at the same time, we need to make sure that we have all our questions answered. And we don't know at this point when we're setting the schedule, how many issues there are and how extensive the questioning is.
All right. Thank you, Your Honor. We'll make sure of that.
Okay, thanks. That schedule seems good to me. Was there anything different about discovery per the parties' discussions? Okay. Is there anything else we need to take up this morning?
Your
Right.
Honor, I apologize. I was just wondering, do we need to go ahead and say that the standard schedule is going to apply for discovery?
Yeah, I'll go ahead and put just some standard dates in the scheduling order.
Thank you.
Yeah. Anyone else? Okay. Sorry, we got started a little bit late today. I thought the elevators were going to be working in the building by now, but they're still not. So there was a little delay getting to my office, but I appreciate everyone. And I'm looking forward to this. And thank you for all your early hard work. And we'll see you next time. We can go off the record.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you.